Hello traders, today is the 16th of May 2024. What a blessing day, guys. We had amazing trades, especially on dollar yen. Bank amazing profit. Let me share with you how I analyze the market. And if you look at the dollar yen, and if you look at the 4 hour, as you have seen in my previous analysis, we've been short when the market broken, and we really enjoyed it. Even Asian session, we had this beautiful short trade, bank some profit. At the London Open, we have also counter long trade here. Now, let me share with you guys how I analyze the market. So if you look at the intraday analysis, so if you look at this is the Asian session analysis we did. This pattern give us the sign of continuation to the downside, market nicely broken. Beautiful. After that, pull back, pull back. We announce all these trades. As soon as the market is developing double bottom, that's what I explained my traders time to enjoy some profit. After banking this profit, again, we looking for the price action. Market should develop a structure here. And if you look at here, the market has broken the previous high and repeatedly respected here. So we were looking for this breakout. So market nicely broken, and after the breakout, market nicely retests based on the momentum. This is the high probability of long trade here. We announce all these pullbacks through live audio commentary and help our trader not to miss this opportunity and bank amazing profit as soon as the market hit to the profit target. As explained, my traders time to bank some profit. Even now, the traders are holding long. We just announced another pullback around this level. So you can see here the market nicely developed another beautiful pullback. Momentum was bullish and the trader are still holding long. We just updated this analysis. It's time to consider banking some profit just before the opening bell. So traders bank amazing profit. So guys, if you want to see all that analysis and explanation in real time, and that's you basically at the same time you can develop your skill set through the live analysis. All right, guys, so that's the prayer time for me, and I hope you enjoyed this analysis. But if you, as I said to you, if you really want to see those analyses in real time, most welcome. Join our fast growing trader community. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day. Until next time, all the best.